Hello everyone, I am Ramya, Department of ECE from Konga Engineering College, Perundurai, Erodu. So, before 1 month in Emerging Information Technology, I joined as intern. So, from this 1 month, what I have learned from this Emerging Information Technology, I am going to share my experience here. So, let's get started. So, what I have learned here means I can say that I have learned majorly two parts. The first part is embedded C programming, and the second part is microcontroller based embedded systems programming. Okay, in the first part, embedded C programming, they have started from the basics of C programming, such as keywords, number systems, data types, type modifiers, qualifiers, conditional constructs, operators, arrays, functions, storage classes, and so on. And the next part is microcontroller based embedded systems programming. In this learning module, we have used PIC16F877A microcontroller to learn this programming, and here we have not used real hardware, but instead of that we have used PixSimLab simulator to simulate our programs. So in this mainly what we have learned means what are all the input output peripherals of this microcontroller, how to use the digital keypads of this microcontroller, how to doing process and operations on timers, interrupts, and also how to work with CLCD. We have learned these things, and at last finally I have learned how to demonstrate the washing machine simulation program. So okay, we'll see one by one. Yes, the next is in C programming we have 32 keywords. Keywords are predefined reserved words used in programming and also that have special meaning to the compiler, and these are all the some basic data types in C programming, and the what are all the conditional constructs in C programming I have listed here. The conditional constructs I have drawn here. And yes, what is an embedded system? Actually, embedded system is a microprocessor or microcontroller based system that is a combination of hardware and software. So what are all the types of embedded system means real-time, standalone system, network embedded, and mobile embedded. These are some types of the embedded system. And what are all the features of this PIC16F877A microcontroller means it has three timers, timer 0, timer 1 and timer 2, and its CPU is based on RISC based CPU, reduced instruction set computer based CPU, and it has manufactured using CMOS technology. So these are all the some features of this microcontroller. And what are all the input ports this microcontroller have means it has 5 ports: port A, port B, port C, port D, and port E, and also respective direction control registers are TRIS A, TRIS B, TRIS C, TRIS D, and TRIS E. And the next slide is yes, interrupt. Interrupt is a very important concept while one learning about the microcontroller. So what is interrupt? Interrupt means it is a signal which makes the processor to stop its current task and proceed to execute a handler set for interrupting sources. And also while happening interrupt, one person should know whether the interrupt is maskable interrupt or non-maskable interrupt. So maskable interrupt means we can avoid this type of interrupts, but if the interrupt is non-maskable means we cannot avoid this type of interrupts. And next I have learned about timer. So these are all some important terms related to timers: tick, resolution, quantum, and scaling. Yes, at last I have learned how to simulate a washing machine program using MPLAB XIDE and PixSimLab simulator, and the compiler I have used here is XE8 compiler. So yes, the some upcoming slides are screenshot which I have took from my laptop to while demonstrating this project. So this is the welcome screen message, and this is the display of washing programs. This is also the washing programs display, and this is water level display program, and this is the working of washing machine. This is also the same. Yes, if in between the door is opened, mean what will happen? For that purpose also we have included some code here. So the washing machine will prompt the message like please close the door, like that. And finally the washing is done now. It's also displayed in the CLCD. So okay, now we'll get started into coding and simulation part. So as I have said earlier, I have used MPLAB XIDE for programming. So you can see that this is the main source file for our simulation. So here I have included main header file, and yes, this is the washing program character array. Here I have included 12 types of washing programs like daily, heavy, delicates, and so on. So this is the character array for that, and also I have included 5 types of water levels. For that I have added one water level character array. And the next block is the void function block. This is for initializing the necessary things. So the first thing is I have initialized for CLCD, and the next is digital keypad initialization and timer initialization, and the next block is main block. So here you can see that press key 5 to power on washing machine. I have displayed using the function CLCD print. Using this function I have displayed the messages, and yes, and I have also included one clear screen function to clear the screen of CLCD, and this is the block for power on screen, and this is the function block for to display the washing programs. And yes, here I have included some switch cases. So here I have already told that I have included 12 types of washing programs and 5 types of water levels. For each and every option I have included sometimes according to the user specification. For that purpose here I have added that switch cases and break statements. So I am, and the water level display function block, and the door status check function block is here, and the run program function block is here. You can see that. So that's it in the main source file, and also I have some of other files. I am go through the files quickly. So this is the source file for timer initializing the purpose timer. I have included this file, and this is for interrupt source, and this file is for digital keypad, and this is for initializing and do the necessary things wanted in CLCD, and this is the header file for CLCD. You can see that here I have included so many macros, and this is for digital keypad header file. This is main header file, and this is for timer header file. So okay, this is all about my coding. Now I am going into the simulation part. So I have already said that I have used PixSimLab simulator. So now I am going to load my hex file. So load hex. Yeah, this is the hex file I wanted. Yeah, so here mainly I have used this CLCD to display my messages, and also here I have used 6 digital keypads. So this RB0, RB1, RB2, RB3, RB4, RB5 are the digital keypads in this microcontroller. So I have used 1 or 2 these keys, and also in the simulation I have used this fan and this buzzer. Okay, we'll see one by one. So now it's saying press key 5 to power on washing machine. I am going to press the key 5. Yeah, powering on washing machine is displaying. Yeah, now the washing programs are displaying. So to navigate through next option, I am going to press the RB3 button. So now daily, heavy, delicates, whites, strain was. So like this you can go. To select that option, you need to long press the same button. So I am going to long press the same button. Now I am going to select the option woolen. Yeah, now it's displaying water level. I can here also I can choose which water level I want. Now I am going to choose the auto water level. So choose that option. I need to long press the RB3 button. So I am going to long press the button. Yeah, now it's showing like to start the program I need to press the switch 5. To stop the program I need to press the button switch 6. So I am going to now press switch 5. Yeah, now the function is started. The time also displaying here. So suppose if now in between I want to pause the function, means using the key 6 I can pause. Now I am going to press key 6. Yeah, now you can see that the function was stopped. So now again I want to start. So to start my function I need to press key 5. So now I am going to press key 5. Yeah, now it has started. The function will, according to time, the washing function will change. Now it's showing spins before it shows rinse. Once the program finished, it will, yeah, like you can hear the buzzer sound and the program ended remove class message. So this is all about what I have done. So thank you. Thank you for Emershi Information Technology for giving this opportunity, and thank you all. Thank